This 1995 Nissan Hardbody with a KA24E engine has a valve cover gasket leak. In this video, I'm going to show you how we change that valve cover gasket. I considered tackling this job myself, but I have a family member that does this all the time, so I bought the Shade Tree Mechanic Starter Pack and gave him a call. One of the contributing factors to the oil leaking here in this back corner was probably because those two bolts that you see there were very loose. You probably could have taken them out by hand at this point. Here you can see where the oil's leaked down to the transmission housing. When I got my oil changed, I asked them if they could identify where the oil was coming from. They said, well, of course, the valve cover gasket. But they also said the rear main seal. I wonder how much of that oil from this valve cover gasket may have looked like the rear main seal. So I'm going to keep an eye on that and keep you guys updated in future videos.
Mine too. There we go. It's a different size.
Really? Yeah. Big or small?
And 9/32 something.
Any more of those?
What?
Zip ties?
No, we use a zip one. It don't do nothing. Oh, really?
This is like a T.
Yeah. What happened in the house?
it's damaged or anything where it was leaking at?
Right there on that back corner. You got no real danger. But you know, some of them you have the issue time chain like we had to replace.
Yeah. It's not that bad, really. Yeah, LEDs. There's one guy that posted like little dots of silver around it. Yeah. spitting out? Yeah, sounds good. Hey, if you're still here, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe as I will post updates of the valve cover gasket, any oil leaks, and the D21 in general in the future. This photo was at the beginning of the video, but it was also just taken as I was doing the editing, and which is about a week and a half after we installed it. As you can tell, no leaks. So far so good, and I'm still keeping an eye on that rear main seal.